In this short video, I'm gonna be walking through how to play, post, or embed any videos in your Discord. So as you can see, here's I opened a YouTube video. Now to play the YouTube video using link, all you have to need just click on share and just copy the video link and then go to your Discord and go to the message or go to the server where you want to play the link, and just in this message box paste the link and hit enter on your keyboard. And as you can see, the video has been successfully embedded, and now anyone from the server will be easily playing the link or video. So the same way you can play any Twitter link, Instagram link, or any other links into your Discord. Just copy the video link and just paste the link here, and that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.